Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
5 easy homemade cereal recipes for babies. Homemade baby cereals are safer and better than the jars of baby cereals available in the stores. If you don't know how to make cereal at home, check out these healthy homemade cereal recipes. Number 1. Rice cereal. Age group: 6 months of age. Cooking time needed: 15 minutes. What you need: brown rice powder 1/4 cup, water 1 cup, breast milk or formula milk. How to make: grind brown rice into powder in a food processor. Boil water and then slowly add the rice powder. Stir continuously. Reduce heat and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool. Mix in some breast milk or formula. Add as much as you need to get the perfect consistency for your baby. Number 2. Oats and apple cereal. Age group: 6 months of age. Cooking time needed: 15 minutes. What you need: apple half peeled and diced, ground oats 1/4 cup, water 3/4 cup. How to make: simmer the oats, apple and water for about 10 minutes. Cook the apples until they are soft enough to mash. Once cooked, take off the heat and allow to cool. Add as much formula or breast milk as you want to thin out the meal. Number 3. Wheat cereal. Age group: 8 months and older. Cooking time needed: 20 minutes. What you need: wheat flour 3 tablespoons, water 200 milliliters, banana 1 small, ghee 1/8 of a teaspoon. How to make: add water to flour and mix into a smooth paste. Cook on medium heat until it becomes thick. Take off heat and pour in ghee. Cool and then add mashed banana. Number 4. Oatmeal cereal. Age group: 1 year old. Cooking time needed: 15 minutes. What you need: oats 1/4 cup, ground in a food processor, filtered water 1 cup, breast milk or formula milk. How to make: bring water to a boil and then add the oats. Stir consistently. Simmer on low heat until the desired consistency is reached. Let it cool and then add milk or formula milk. Slip in some fruits and nuts. Number 5. Sooji cereal. Age group: 6 months and older. Cooking time: 15 minutes. What you need: Sooji 1 cup, elaichi powder 1 pinch, water 3 cups. How to make: dry roast the Sooji. Bring the water to a boil and then slowly add the roasted Sooji. Keep mixing to prevent lumps from forming. Once done, take it off the heat and add milk or formula. Try these homemade cereal recipes to give your child some quality and healthy food made with love and not feeding him or her processed, sugar-filled food.